What's up, everybody? I hope y'all are well out there, and I love my Jared tones out there too. So for those of you who don't know, I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this amazing studio, the Jaren M. LaGuerre Studio. You know what's so funny about this video is that, obviously my hair is much taller than usual because I'm trying to, do different looks, to try different things. So I'm doing like a messy bun look today, and my hair is actually really long. But the funny part is that my camera is sitting so much taller than it usually does, so I really have to look up to make sure I'm looking in the camera, because like honestly I'm not that tall. I'm barely 5'7", so I'm not really all that tall, and some of y'all came for me when I show y'all my video, my brothers and I sing and talk about, I thought you was sitting down, you that short. I mean 5'7" ain't all that short, so I'm like around 5'7", so don't play me. But it's just funny because even in the shot I can see how tall my hair is, which adds probably at least like 7 inches to my whole person, and so having the camera sitting up so far up and so far back to get the full shot is just funny to me as I'm sitting here looking at the camera and looking at y'all. So anyway, but that's not the point of the video. We want to talk about this group and this individual, the 4 of them together. And I did a video on the first song of this performance, but then some people were like, do the second song too, and I said, well shoot, why not? I need some more CÉLINE in here anyway, and I love Destiny's Child, so why not? Let's do it. So we're going to start and stop a lot in this video. So if you feel like starting and stopping and things like that, to go into another video or click the link below where you can see the video in its entirety without me talking. But if you mind starting and stopping and talk about things as they happen in the moment, then this is a channel and a video for you, so stick around. Let's get into this wonderful performance and one of my favorite performances of CÉLINE DION, the Destiny's Child, singing When the Wrong One Loves You Right. I don't care what they think or how they feel or what they say. So you see, our articulation is much different than the other song. It's much more kind of aggressive in a way. I don't care, I don't care. You hear kind of aspirate offsets. I don't care what they think or how they feel or what they say. So you see more drama and kind of just more movement in the articulatory muscles here as she's singing this.
You're everything I never knew, I always wanted, baby. So many times they tell me I ignore the signs.
I don't care what nobody say. Michelle is church. I've done it, I ignore the signs. Like, I just love her voice, and she just always has that undertone of gospel when she sings, and so I just love that no matter where she goes. I talk about that a lot. No matter where some of us go, it's gonna be a little church in there. But Michelle can handle these vocals. Like, I love Michelle. I just love Michelle.
But nobody knows you like I do. The only one for me is you.
Do you hear you? It's you. CÉLINE is like you, not you. The other 3 are kind of like you, but she's you. So she's using that tongue. You. The tongue is kind of sitting high and a little bit back. You. Okay? I'm gonna stop stopping so much. I'm sorry.
I can't stop. I can't fight. I can't resist it when the wrong one loves you right. Oh, that's right. Yeah. I can't run. I can't hide. I can't say no when the wrong one loves you right. Oh, when the wrong one loves you right. Hey, sing CÉLINE. Can I walk away with the feeling so strong?
Hey, it was like that perfectly placed. Hey, can I walk away? And then she said, can I walk away? Instead of walk, can I walk away? So again, that nasality, that soft palate, can I walk away? With the feeling so strong. You can kind of hear that nasal sound. Of course, in the French language, it's very present in the French language, and she speaks French, so I'm sure that has a lot to do with how she pronounces words. But that soft palate comes down. Can I walk away? Feeling so strong. Oh, instead of strong, it's strong. Like Lumiere from Beauty and the Beast. That whole thing. Feeling so strong. That's what I'm talking about.
I know you're where I belong.
Belong. You can really hear it there. Belong. And she kind of had an aspirate stop. Belong. And I may be exaggerating that just a little bit, but she had some kind of belong with a little aspirate offset or aspirate stop in between those 2 notes. You see what I'm saying? Something like that.
You see, I let my heart make up my mind.
Make up my mind. Make up my mind. So she had pucker, pucker, spread, spread, make up my mind. And she kind of little, you know, run right there.
That's why I live to say goodbye.
See goodbye. So almost like the diphthongs are kind of omitted / lessened greatly. Instead of goodbye, I'll never say, I'll never say goodbye. I'll never see. And it wasn't say, it was see. I'll never say goodbye. You see what I'm saying? Say goodbye. And you see that soft palate is kind of coming down on by right there.
I'll never say goodbye. Can't stop, can't fight, can't resist it when the wrong one loves you right. When the wrong one loves you right. Can't run, can't hide, can't say no when the wrong one loves you right, loves you right.
On that emphasized note on the end of that little phrase right there, she kind of had a little bit more of a beefier sound. I think the cricoid cartilage kind of shifted up a little bit. Ah! Instead of ah, ah, so just a little bit more of a beefier sound in that belt that she had right there towards the end of that phrase.
Can't fight, oh yeah, resist it when the wrong one loves you right.
You can tell I've watched the performance 1.5 million times before it came on YouTube. If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below to click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And give it a like and a thumbs up too if you can. And that's what I will always continue to say to all of you. Be vocally bold, creative and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. Alright y'all, love you and I will see y'all soon.